sprouts. This is eerie. In studying your human rituals, I have found an oddity. Every time your giant metal bird survives its reckless skydive, you clap. You place your trust in a flying tin can, and when it does not betray you, you reward it with applause. Is it for the bird? The driver? The void itself? I have no answers. But I am utterly delighted. You silly little creatures, with your hopeful clapping hands. Long may your metal birds fly. Long may you survive. I must know, have you ever clapped for a metal bird? Describe the ritual.